Hey folks, it's your boy Ready Freddy from Sigway Energy. We started here in the Sonoma County. He finally got back from swimming with them whales, but I'm gonna throw it to him so he can tell you more about it. Willie!
Yeah, I'm back from swimming with the whales. All right, so we're still out here in beautiful Sonoma County. Look at that beach out there. I mean, just beautiful. You can see the curvature of the earth. I mean, just amazing, amazing, amazing. Hey, look at the water crashing up against the rock. You can't beat it, guys. This is just amazing, amazing thing right here. All right, so this is a 22 panel array. Check it out. We got everything painted. Look at the conduits all painted and tagged up. Just a beautiful job. So just black on black panels. It looks good. And so this is our second beach house out here in Sonoma County. People are walking up, looking at it, and they see quality right off the bat. And that's how we got blessed with this second install. So, you know what? You guys need solar at a reasonable price. Give us a call. You can check us out on Facebook, on YouTube. Go to our website. You know, check us out. We're there. We're available, and we would love to help you. So, you know, we have 5-star reviews. We love helping customers, and when you're happy, we're happy. So give us a call, Sigway Energy, because we are your local solar installers.
And remember folks, when you want to feel the love of the panels and stuff, call your boys at Sigway Energy, not them other guys.
God bless.